there, adventurers! Have you ever walked through a forest and wondered what's happening all around you? From the tallest trees to the tiniest little critters, it's a bustling city full of life. Here's a question for you to think about as we explore together today. What makes a forest work as a whole? And how do all its layers play a part? In today's adventure, we'll be exploring the 4 layers of the forest ecosystem and learn about the key players. In today's adventure, we're going to uncover the secrets of the 4 layers of the forest. And we're going to learn about the key players that make up the forest ecosystem. Let's dive in and see how all this connects. Forests are made up of 4 distinct layers. Each part of the layer has a part in the forest ecosystem. The name of the forest layers are emergent, canopy, understory, and forest floor. The emergent layer is the highest part of the forest, where the tallest trees, often over 200 feet tall, rise above all others like skyscrapers. These trees are bathed in sunlight, making this layer bright, windy, and dry compared to the rest of the forest. The emergent layer is home to amazing wildlife, including birds of prey like eagles and hawks, and even bats and insects that thrive in this elevated world. This layer is crucial for the forest ecosystem, providing food and shelter for animals, producing oxygen, and helping regulate the Earth's climate. The canopy layer is the dense, leafy roof of the forest, formed by the tops of closely packed trees. This layer blocks much of the sunlight from reaching the forest floor, creating a shaded and cooler environment below. The canopy is teeming with life as it provides food and shelter for a variety of animals and countless insects. Acting as the forest's protective umbrella, the canopy layer plays a key role in regulating the ecosystem by capturing rainfall and providing energy to the plants and animals that depend on it. Time for a knowledge check. This layer of the rainforest contains the peaks of the tallest trees and experiences the most wind, rain, and sunlight. A. Canopy. B. Emergent layer. C. Understory. D. Forest floor. I agree. B. Emergent layer. Let's see, how are you going to attack? Cannonball? Good job. The understory is the layer found just below the canopy. This layer is home to smaller plants, shrubs, and young trees. Many animals live here, such as snakes, frogs, and insects. The understory plays an important role in the ecosystem by providing a habitat for animals. The forest floor is the bottom layer of the forest, where little sunlight reaches, making it dark, damp, and rich with decaying plant material. The forest floor is home to some of the most fascinating creatures, including ants, beetles, earthworms, fungi, bacteria, and insects. The forest floor is crucial to the ecosystem, providing the foundation for plant growth and supporting life throughout the forest. It's a hidden but vital part of the forest, teeming with activity just below the surface. Time for another knowledge check. Which layer of the rainforest contains young trees that are still trying to grow and reach sunlight? A. Canopy. B. Emergent layer. C. Forest floor. D. Understory. I agree. Understory. How would you like to attack this time? Food fight? Animals bring life and movement to the forest. The tiniest insects contribute to pollination, which allows plants to reproduce and grow. Larger animals, such as birds and mammals, help spread seeds by eating fruits and carrying seeds to new locations, adding plant diversity. Predators like big cats or birds of prey maintain the balance of populations, ensuring no single species dominates. Together, these creatures form a food chain that keeps energy flowing through the forest ecosystem.
Plants are the backbone of the forest ecosystem. They provide essential food, shelter, and oxygen for other organisms. Beyond their role as habitats, plants also play a vital role in the ecosystem's balance by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen through photosynthesis.
Non-living elements or abiotic components are just as important as the living organisms. Soil provides a foundation for plants to grow. Water sustains life by hydrating plants and animals and is crucial for photosynthesis. Sunlight is the primary energy source for the entire ecosystem, and rocks and minerals enrich the soil over time. Time for another knowledge check. Which layer of a rainforest or any forest has the most diverse amount of species? A. Forest floor. B. Understory. C. Canopy. D. Emergent layer. I agree, canopy. How would you like to attack? Fireball. Together, these processes create a seamless flow of energy between the forest layers. This incredible interconnected system is what makes forests some of the most biodiverse systems on Earth, where every layer contributes to a thriving, interconnected web of life.